is one of my cute little hairstyles. So more than anything, there are times where I just don't like having my hair in my face. And now that I have a bang, it's kind of always in my face. And I don't always get a chance to just be like, oh, hi everybody. But that's why I'm doing this little braid hair tutorial where you just kind of push your front part a little bit back so your face can shine through. And this is not it. This is not the tutorial. But I personally like to do this with braids because with braids, you know, you can design it if you're that skilled. You can keep it simple, but it always adds just like a little pop of dimension against your hair. And this can be done with straight hair, curly hair obviously, and it doesn't matter if your hair is long or short. What it's really gonna do is just put your hair back, allow the rest to be out because, you know, we all really love our hair, but also just gives you a little bit of dimension as well. So yeah, let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a comb with a pointed end, and I'm just gonna part the top half of my hair because we're not really gonna work with the back, and I love my curls in the back. I don't really want to damage them, and I also don't want them to get in the way. So I'm just gonna take here, kind of up to my ear, just that front portion. Just gonna push it back for right now, just so I could get the parts up the way. And now that I have my hair kind of divided, I'm just gonna put the rest in a very loose ponytail so my curls don't lose their shape. So just like that, real small, real simple. And from here, you can decide how you want to part your hair, whether you want a center part, a side part, or even a design. It's all really up to you. Just for simple purposes, I'm gonna just keep it a straight down the middle. So make it nice and even right there. I'll put this one side to the side for right now, like that. And this is where I would set up my little pomade and my water, of course, and my comb. And I'm just going to kind of spray it out so my curls are a little easier to work with, and kind of comb it through. So now that there's no tangles on this side, what I'm going to do just to make it a little bit smooth is I'm going to put the pomade right at the top where the part is, because that's not really where my hair is going to go up. And I just comb that down. Then I'm gonna take a little bit more pomade, just put it on the back of my hand so I could reach for it. And I'm gonna start kind of braiding my hair back. Now here you could put a rubber band. I actually ran out of rubber bands, so I'm just gonna put a lot of pomade on it to kind of have it keep its hold. So I'll do like a little pomade and a twist really tightly over and over again, just for it to keep its hold. But I'm actually surprised at how well this came out, because I am not the best braider in the world. I'm not the best parter in the world, but it's smooth. And definitely just putting the pomade in advance for where you're not gonna go is gonna keep that smooth all around. I'm just gonna take out my baby hair. I don't have a lot of it, but I prefer it to be out. Just gonna take that out a little bit. And part of the reason I personally take out my baby hair, or like even though it's a little bit, is that I notice if I keep it in here at some time during the day, it just comes out on its own and it just makes it a little bit messy, a little bit frizzier. So I'm just gonna flatten that down while it's there. Just like that. Perfect. And I did braid it behind my ear just so that way it really emphasizes that this is not supposed to have any hair in front of my face. My face is supposed to be out this time. And as you can see, I had a bang and it just flowed in smoothly because I also included the sides, which were of course much longer. So it helped it flow easier throughout the rest of my head. So I have one more side to do, and I'm gonna go and just repeat the same thing I did on this side. And I'll talk through it just in case I was going a bit too fast. But grab my water, just because it makes it easier for me to braid, and I personally just prefer to braid on wetter hair than drier hair. Okay. And you comb it all out, brush it all out. Then I'm gonna take some pomade, put it right here at the top just so that way it stays smooth. Comb that down. Nice. Grab a little bit more pomade, put it on the back of my hand so it's easy to reach. And let's start braiding. So I just braided both sides, and to be honest, I don't know what's going on because these braids are coming out way better than I anticipated. But maybe because I keep braiding my hair, it's just slightly getting better because I'm learning little tips and tricks. So if you're not that good at braiding, I promise you the more you do it, the more you get accustomed to the motion and the better it will come out. I promise you that. But as you can see, my hair is out my face. It's kind of cute right now. I could even keep it up like this with my little curly bun in the back. It doesn't look bad, but I'm gonna just take it out just to kind of hide what I did, and bam. This is so cute. And as you can see, the hair, like even the back, it just doesn't fall on my face. It's just a nice, gorgeous part. If you like your parts, you could even do a side part, braid it all the way to one side. But no matter what, it doesn't come in front of my face, and it's just, oh, I feel like the sun is finally hitting my forehead and it feels so good. And in a way, this is like, you know, a braided headband because it just pushes everything back and keeps it from falling forward. And I really think this is a very, very cute hairstyle that you could wear anywhere. You could dress it up, be formal, keep it casual, and I love it. I really love it. I hope you love it too. Let me know if you try this hairstyle, what you think, how it worked out for you, all in the comments down below. And thank you so much. Bye. Then I'll take a little bit more. You didn't hear that, okay? You didn't hear that at all.